I definitely got polish on my camera. Anyways, let me just wipe this off. Hold on. I don't think anyone needs to try to be like anybody else. If you're trying to be somebody else, that's gonna come across and people are gonna feel that like, oh, like the fakeness. But when you are being undeniably you and you are passionate about what you're doing, people feel that. It hits different. This is it. This is the new direction. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Hello, hello. How's everybody doing? Hopefully really great. So, you guys, we are back with another nail video, but this time I'm not going to show you the polygel side of it because you guys have seen the full set of it with like all the new stuff. Then you've seen the fill aspect of it. I didn't actually like how it wore, like, because they actually kept lifting. So with the ones that I did the actual like fill with, if you haven't seen that video, you can go check that one out. But I did a full set of like new ones on one hand, and on the other hand, I just kind of like did a fill because they were still pretty fresh. So I didn't like doing the fill. I liked actually like putting it on. It was super, like, I felt like it was pretty simple, but they did kind of like lift, and I had to put glue under them like several times, and I just wasn't feeling it. So because once you have to put like nail glue under it so many times, then it starts looking all like white and crusty around the edges, and nobody wants crusty nails, okay? So I didn't like the fill aspect, so I ripped them all when it came time to do a new set here, I ripped them all off, and I did do a new set here. So they don't have a top coat or anything like that on them because I'm kind of using them as like an acrylic. Like, you know how like when you go get your acrylic nails done, you get some gel polish on there. Well, I ordered some really affordable gel polishes off of Amazon, and I wanted to give them a try because there were so many colors, and it was, like I said, very reasonable, very affordable, bougie on a budget, okay? And it had really good reviews. So I was like, okay, I really want to try this. But I will say, I was caught off guard because, so like I said, it had like a bunch of colors, all this and that, but it showed that the brushes were like really skinny. So it was more so almost like for designs, but it was gel polish. But it came with like a top coat, base coat, and a matte top coat. And so I was like, okay, you can't beat this. Like I can grab a different brush and use that if I want to use it like as a full nail color. But it came, and actually I was really surprised that it actually has a regular size brush, which I'm a huge fan of. But anyways, so we are getting ready to go on our Florida vacation. And if you know your girl, like I like to have bright colors when we're going to like anywhere tropical, anywhere with palm trees, anything like that. I feel like I always lean towards like bright neon colors. So I am going to share these gel polishes with you guys. But like I said, I did put a new set on of the polygel. This is still the same polygel set that I got originally, which was from the Modelones. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Sorry if I butchered it. But I used this color right here. Okay, this is the light apricot. So this is the color that I used on here. And that's what it looks like, but obviously without the top coat. So with the top coat on there, it's going to be a little bit more transparent, and it's going to have shine to it. So, recollecting my thoughts here. I feel like it's been a hot minute since I've actually just sat down in here and filmed the video. So I feel like I'm like, huh. Plus I'm really tired. I was up till like 3:30 a.m. working on these babies because I wanted these at least on today. And yeah, I'm tired. Your girl's tired. I need to go to bed. I figured I would film this intro and show you guys these nails and show you guys these gel polishes. And then I'm probably going to do a little bit more work on these ones. And then I'll probably do my gel polish tomorrow, but I'll be back to show you guys. Anyways, this is what they look like when they come in, okay? I'm trying to remember the price of them. But there's 20 colors, you guys. I'm gonna butcher this name. Rargism? I don't know. That is the brand. I'm not gonna try to say that again. Oh my God. So it is gel polish. It's soak off UV/LED cured, okay? Which is what I wanted because whenever I would get my acrylics and I would do gel polishes on them, I like gel polish more than regular polish because I am very hard on my nails, and so gel polish just holds up better for me. So Run and Rock, Just Something Magical. I don't know if that's like what this collection is called or if it's just a fun little thing they put on there. But anyways, it gives you some like directions back here. It also gives you the ingredients, blah, 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 blah. All that fun stuff. Okay, so look at how many colors. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I almost threw the box. That would not be good. The bottles are glass. Okay. All right, so you open it up and you got this little pamphlet doobie thingy. And then look at all these colors, you guys. Look at that. And then these three over here, this one, and this one up here, these are the base coat, top coat, and matte top coat, okay? These are so pretty. But I will say the stickers on the top are a little bit misleading on color. So here's the matte top coat, okay? Here is the base coat. I will say I feel like the base coat, whenever I get gel polish on like acrylic nails when I actually go to the salon to get them done, I do feel like they don't use a base coat. They just go ahead and start applying the actual gel polish and then the top coat, especially if it's on acrylics. But I do notice on natural nails, they apply the base coat. So I don't really know if I'll use the base coat or not. We'll see. We'll see. And then this one says super shiny top coat. Super shiny. Not just shiny, it's super shiny. Super shiny, super shiny. Super shiny. All right, so let me just show you. I'm gonna show you these real pretty glittery colors, okay? So it looks like there are 4 different like glitter colors here. Okay. So here is, and the bottles are pretty tiny. Like they're pretty tiny little bottles here. So $2.23. The sticker makes it look like it is like a silver polish. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Very pretty, very, very pretty. And then looks like $2.31 is also, it looks like it's also a silver-ish polish, like a glittery one, but it almost looks like this one has more iridescent glitter to it. I'm a sucker for some sparkle. So this one does have more like iridescent sparkles in it. It catches more of the like blues and purple like flecks and stuff. So then $2.22, that one, this one looks like rose gold, you guys. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, honey. That one is definitely a rose gold glitter. I am really excited to see how these hold up because the reviews were pretty good for them. But like the price, like you guys, you can't beat that. Like 20 polishes? Like what? Huh? Okay, okay. And then this one is $2.30, and it kind of looks like a galaxy, like galaxy glittery mix here. It's like almost like a bluish purple. Okay, so when you open it, it actually looks more like purple, purple-ish. So those are the 4 glitter colors, okay? So then we've got $1.49. This one looks like a light pink. Yes, kind of like a light baby pink here. Nice like everyday color. $34, looks like a solid white. So I just kind of want to show you like the reference of like what the sticker looks like and what the polish looks like, okay? So this one is obviously white as white, like true to the color here. Now this one is the one that threw me off. Look at this one looks like a sunshine yellow, but when you open it up, wait for it, okay? $2.20, does that not look like a sunshine yellow, right? And you open it, yo, that is neon yellow, which I love. I am really happy that it is neon yellow instead of the yellow that's on the sticker, but it does not look like that sticker. Like, come on, that versus that. So that one to me was misleading. I was like, okay, so then $2.21 right here. Okay, so then 221 right here. This one also looks like a yellow, but it looks like it's a little bit of a lighter yellow. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. Well, maybe, I don't know. So this one's almost more of like an orangey yellow. So I guess that's not too far off from the sticker, but it definitely is brighter than what the sticker shows. That one could be really pretty too. I'm gonna have a hard time deciding what I wanna do for my Florida nails because this has a lot of bright colors in it. So then number 20 here. This one's number 20, and this looks like an orange. Oh, that one's really pretty. Yeah. That is like straight up like bright pumpkin orange. It's okay, I wouldn't say pumpkin orange, like it's like orange sherbet orange. That one's pretty. Okay, 24 here. Okay, so there's 24. Looks like kind of a reddish corally color on the sticker. And it's hot pink. That makes sense. It is like a hot pink. It almost looks reddish on the camera here, but it is definitely like hot pink. They're throwing some curveballs at me here. Okay, and number 12. Number 12 here. This one looks like your classic pink. That's a very pretty pink color. Okay. You guys, I'm gonna have such a hard time. I don't know. I feel like I am always leaning towards neon yellow when I go to Florida. I don't know why, but like last year when I went to Miami, my nails were like neon yellow, and even this year I'm like kind of leaning towards it. I'm kind of leaning towards like neon yellow and then like an animal print one. Like, I don't know. We're gonna see what I end up with. But then this one is number 15, right there. And it looks like red. Let's see. Okay, so this one's kind of a pinkish red. It might not look like that on the camera. So this one's kind of a pinkish red. Like I said, it probably looks like red on the camera here, but to me it looks like a pink-ish red-ish. And then this one here, 224 here. It looks like it's gonna be a mint green. And it is. Ooh, that's pretty. Mint green. I feel like it would look like some mint chocolate chip here. But I want to get into more like doing some like designs, things like that. Like maybe not anything cray-cray, but I kind of want to play around with it. I mean, I paint my face all weird. Why not paint my nails? And then whatever color I do my nails, I'm going to be doing my toes too. And then 225 here. That looks like a green. Let's see here. Oh yes, how did I know this one was going to be like a fluorescent lime green? Oh yes. I feel like lime greens never look that great on me. Like I always lean towards more of like the neon yellow or neon orange, neon pink. Like I usually stick towards those warmer colors because for some reason I feel like it makes me like look tanner. You guys know what I'm talking about? Like when you have like a neon colored swimsuit, like I just feel like those colors tend to make me look tanner. Although I will say I found like a lime green one. It's not like a fluorescent green though at Target, and that one actually makes me look really dark. So I'm sticking my own foot in my mouth here. Okay, so this one is 226. 226. And this looks kind of like a bluish green. Okay, and it looks more like a sky blue. That one's kind of like a sky blue color. Still really freaking pretty. Okay, we're gonna keep on trucking with the blues here. Like I said, there's so many pretty colors. Like you guys, I'm kind of mind boggled here. I really hope these polishes are good. 227 here. This one looks a little bit more of a sky blue. So just a little bit of a darker sky blue. Okay. These would be really pretty to do like ombre with. Like you could do like light blue to dark blue and, you know, so on and so forth. 181. This one looks more like a darker blue. Oh yeah. Kind of like a cobalt blue. I'm just waiting for one of these to like drip all over. I've had good luck so far. 229. This one looks a little bit more like an indigo, kind of like a bluish purple. And it kind of look, I don't know, when I pull it out, to me it looks more like just like a deep purple. It kind of looks blue when I'm looking at it on the camera, but it definitely looks more purple in person. 228, 228. This one looks more like a true purple. Some of these are on there tight, man. So this one's just more of like a lighter purple, but it's definitely like purple purple. Anyways, last one. I know these are a lot of colors. Last one here is number 31. Number 31. And this one just looks like a true black. Which, you know, your girl likes some black nails. If I don't know what color to get on my nails, black is like my fail safe. Like I always go back to black. And it is true black polish. So you get all these fun colors, some glitter, the base coat, the top coat, and the matte coat, matte top coat, and also your black polish. So you get all those like for a really reasonable price, like I said. So let's go ahead. We're gonna try this. I need to think. I need to think on what I'm gonna do for the color and the design. I'm gonna look up some pictures here and then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna go for and what it ends up looking like. So wish me luck. Hopefully this goes well. Okay, let's dive in. Ah! Okay, wardrobe change. It's a few days after I filmed that last clip and I had every intention of making this one full video of me like showing you the polishes and then doing my nails and blah, blah, blah. But then I realized I didn't want to keep you guys for like 45 minutes. So I'm gonna leave you on a cliffhanger, okay? So many pretty colors, so many freaking options that you can do. What do you think I'm gonna do? Here are some ideas on what I think I'm gonna do, but I can't decide between a few of them. I'm leaning towards one. I don't know. Which one do you think I'm gonna do? This picture right here. So I have it labeled A, B, C, or D. So drop it down in the comments. Which one do you think I'm gonna do? No hints, no hints. I was almost gonna say something, no hints. Anyways, so it is the night before vacation and your girl has yet to put one thing in her suitcase. Or do my nails. Pray for me, pray for me. It would not be me if I did not procrastinate and wait till the night before to pack. So here we go, wish me luck. Drop it down in the comments, like I said, which one you think I'm gonna do. Okay, all right, you guys. Well, thank you so much for hanging out, you guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and we will see y'all down in Florida. Bye.